Many Papua New Guineans will remember July 1999 when Sir Mekere Morauta became Prime Minister after the Bilsgate government collapsed amid growing political and economic challenges. At the time, PNG faced declining business confidence, concerns about economic management, allegations of corruption, and political instability. As dissatisfaction grew, opposition MPs and government members began organizing support for a vote of no confidence against Prime Minister Bilsgate. A key figure in this process was John Pundari, who resigned as Speaker and formed the Advanced Papua New Guinea party with 22 MPs. He became instrumental in bringing together the numbers needed to change the government and helped unite MPs behind Sir Mekere Morauta as the preferred candidate. Sir Mekere was widely respected for his strong financial and economic background. Before entering politics, he served as PNG's first Secretary for Finance, Managing Director of the Papua New Guinea Banking Corporation, and Governor of the Bank of Papua New Guinea. Many saw him as the right leader to restore confidence and stabilize the economy. As the no-confidence vote approached, support for the Skate government continued to decline. Facing almost certain defeat, Bilsgate resigned on the 7th of July 1999 before the vote could be held. The following week saw intense lobbying and coalition negotiations among political parties, provincial leaders, and independent MPs. Support for Morauta grew rapidly across party lines as many MPs believed PNG needed reform-focused leadership. When Parliament met on the 14th of July 1999, Sir Mekere Morauta won the prime ministership by an overwhelming margin of 99 votes to Lima, one of the largest mandates ever given to a prime minister in PNG's history. After taking office, Sir Mekere launched major economic and public sector reforms. His government pursued economic stabilization, strengthened financial institutions, promoted anti-corruption measures, and later introduced political reforms aimed at improving government stability. His rise to power remains one of the most decisive leadership transitions in PNG's parliamentary history and laid important foundations for many of the economic systems and reforms that continue to benefit the country today. Papua New Guinea's history reminds us that strong leadership, broad consensus, and national interest can unite people during times of challenge.